Hey guys, it's Miss Angle here. I'm helping you with the Counting Atoms worksheets for tonight's homework, okay? So here we go. I'm going to show you guys how to do Li2SO4. So like we talked about in class, we have three elements here. So Li is the first one, S is the next one, and O is the next one. And we know that because there's a capital letter. So Li is one element because the I is lowercase, so it just goes with the L. All right, so how many Li do we have? We have 2, because this number right here goes with the element that comes before it. How many S do we have? There is no number there, so we only have 1. And how many O's do we have? Well, hopefully by now you've figured out 4. Okay, so 2 lithiums, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygens. Then what you were asked to do was figure out how many atoms altogether. So we're going to take 2 plus 1 plus 4. And that makes 7 atoms total. Okay? All right. Pause if you need to, rewind, go back, do it again, because 1 through 5 are all going to be kind of like that on your homework. Okay? All right, moving on to the second row. This is where we have a number out in front, and we need to take that into consideration as we're doing our work. So here I have 3Al2O3. Be careful not to mistake this lowercase l for a capital I. Whenever we use an I in chemistry, it's going to look like this. That way it's very easy to tell. Okay, so Al2O3. So normally when we do this, if we ignore this 3 out front, we'll know that we have 2 Als and 3 Os, or oxygens. But because of this 3 out front, we're going to multiply that times both, okay? So this 2 here times 3 is 6. So we actually have 6 Als. And we have 9 Os. The reason for that is we're actually taking 3 molecules of this, and we're looking at all the parts of all of those. So that's why we have to multiply, because we have 3 times this molecule. So 6 Als and 9 Os. Add those up to get 15 atoms total. Okay, so there you have it. That's what we talked about in class. Now it's time to look at the bonus questions. So number 11 on your homework, right there, has a combination of this number out front plus we have parentheses. So let's talk about how that works. Basically, we're still going to look at our elements. So we've got magnesium, we've got oxygen, and we've got hydrogen. Now, the parentheses, just like in math class, we're going to multiply. So whatever number you have there is going to be multiplied times any numbers here. And since there's no numbers there, that means we have 1 of each. So 1 times 2